I'm learning an ancient language, Pali, which gives the Buddha's teaching. And I have done my master's and postgraduate diploma also in that, and now I'm preparing for my PhD.
क्या बात है, wow, amazing. Learning
you
a
so
new language also at this point of time.
I understand.
ऐसा क्यों?
So it was I felt that there are so many things which you should know, and Pali is a language where Buddha has told about everything about the peace and how to live the life. And his whatever his teachings are, they are really giving you a guiding path to live your journey happily. That's the reason I wanted to learn that language and do a research in that. So I'm preparing for the PhD.
Wonderful. We do have a lot of doctors this time. We have Dr. Riya Palwankar, who is a dental surgeon, I would say.
Oral and maxillofacial surgeon.
Yeah, maxillofacial surgeon with 38 years of experience, enriching experience, I would say, definitely, because आपने कितने लोगों को स्माइल करने में हेल्प करी होगी.
Yes, sir.
That is what I say. You were in the business of physically actually transforming all their heart's desire कि मैं हंस सकूं अच्छे से,
Yes.
मुस्कुरा सकूं. आपने वो साकार किया उनके लिए, literally by being a dental surgeon.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
How has the journey been so far?
It is a really exciting journey, and it was very wonderful to work with my patients, my students, and everyone around me, and at the same time to take care of my family also. It was really a wonderful journey. I enjoyed it.
I really liked one thing जो आपने लिखा था, that you love learning new things, at your age, and जितना आपका experience है उसके बाद भी you tend to be a learner still.
Yes, sir. I'm learning an ancient language, Pali, which gives the Buddha's teaching. And I have done my master's and postgraduate diploma also in that, and now I'm preparing for my PhD.
क्या बात है, wow, amazing. Learning a new language also at this point of time.
I understand.
ऐसा क्यों?
So it was I felt that there are so many things which you should know, and Pali is a language where Buddha has told about everything about the peace and how to live the life. And his whatever his teachings are, they are really giving you a guiding path to live your journey happily. That's the reason I wanted to learn that language and do a research in that. So I'm preparing for the PhD.
Wonderful. So what drove you to take part in Mrs. India, Queen of Substance?
Sir, initially I never thought that I can do something like this. I always used to observe every year that Mrs. India pageants are happening and so many beautiful ladies are coming up. After I retired from my job, like I was a medical teacher, after I retired, I thought of doing something different. I have given enough time to my profession. So now I want to live for myself and do something different. And I just saw the ad, and then I registered myself. I will thank Mrs. Ritika ma'am and Vinay sir for this, that they have organized such a wonderful platform for the ladies like us.
Wonderful, wonderful. Making so many dreams come true. क्योंकि
Yes,
मेरे ख्याल
sir.
से सपनों की कोई उम्र नहीं होती, उम्र सिर्फ इंसान की होती है.
जी सर.
Right?
जी
वो
सर.
आप किसी भी समय पे पूरा कर सकते हैं.
जी सर.
और जब समय पूरा हो जाए, वो सपना पूरा हो जाए, वो तब का था. That's destiny, I would put it
Yes,
that
sir.
way.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
How do you find all the participants here? आपको
All-
मजा आया होगा कि क्योंकि कितने सारे लोग हैं, आप उनके स्माइल्स के बारे में भी बात
I know
कर
there
रहे
are
होंगे.
so many beautiful ladies, and looking at everyone, I can see that the beauty can be defined in a different way.
Yeah.
And there are some handsome guys also, like kings also like you here.
Wow, wow, thank you so much. That's the first time I've heard something like this, so I'll definitely take it with a bow. Definitely, thank you so much for that one. तो आप क्या कहेंगे? What do you think is substance in a woman? आपको क्या लगता है?
Substance is defined as the inner quality of a female, which the inner strength, her ability to uplift the people, her ability to balance her personal life as well as the social life.
Absolutely.
That is the queen of substance.
क्या बात है, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट वन, मतलब की एबिलिटी टू अपलिफ्ट योरसेल्फ एंड डू ऑल दैट यू वांट टू, मतलब सो मेनी पीपल हैव सेड दैट, पार्टिसिपेंट्स, मतलब कि आप जो करना चाहते हैं वो अलग है, लेकिन वो करने के लिए, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ बिल्डिंग, द सब्सटेंस इज दैट यू नीड टू हैव अ गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ ग्रेवल, brick and mortar over there to be able to build that. So all your inside, you know, the qualities that you have within you are the substance that would
sir.
make a difference
Yes, sir.
and help you in that achieving those extrinsic goals that you set yourself for.
Yes,
Where do
sir.
you see yourself going from here?
Sir, I will like to shine even brighter what I am today.
क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया. One line answer, brilliant. Thank you so much again from TKM Sudarshan Achatlu. Thank you so much.
Sir, I would like to say a few lines
बिल्कुल,
for
please.
all the participants,
Please, बताएं.
including everyone here in
बताएं,
this
बताएं.
hall. I'm a poet at heart.
क्या बात है.
I give voice to emotions through words and rhythm.
जी.
So, 4 lines सिर्फ सुनाती
Please,
हूँ.
please, please.
आज का ये पल ना आएगा कल, कल की चिंता छोड़ो यारो, इस पल को एंजॉय करो, आने वाले पल को हाय करो, जाने वाले पल को बाय करो, आने वाले
क्या
पल को हाय
बात है,
करो,
बहुत
आने
बढ़िया.
वाले पल को बाय
Brilliant,
करो.
brilliant,
Thank you so much,
brilliant.
sir. Thank you so much.
Amazing, amazing. Lovely speaking to you.
Thank
ma'am.
you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
What amazing energy.